Good day, this is Bruce of Cantotech and we're here to unbox the ISDT NP2 Smart Charger. Actually, if you have the same situation as us in the studio, we have like different cameras. So we have the A7 Mark III, we have the A6500, we have the A6400. And if in case you still have the RX100 series, this would definitely be a good buy for you, similar to our needs. So basically, this smart charger can charge three type of camera batteries. So if you have the Mark III or the 7R Mark III that uses the NP-FZ100 battery, or you have the A6000 to A6500 series, which is the NP-FW50, and if you happen to have the RX100 Mark III, 4, 5, you can which has a battery of the NPBX1, this is definitely the charger for you. So this charger can charge both three of that battery. The only problem here is that this is a Chinese product and probably the English wouldn't be that good, but you actually don't need this. So the top two reasons why we wanted this charger was because it uses the Type C, the latest or newest type of connector, which is the Type C, and it can charge all of our cameras here in our studio. So basically, you don't need to look at this. It's very easy. Outright from the box, you just plug the USB Type C from your outlet. By the way, this is the screen protector. It also comes with the screen protector. So you can anytime, I mean, you don't need to buy a screen protector for this. So you remove the plastic, put the screen protector, and you're done. So basically this one, if you can see, there's actually three connectors. So you can charge three types of batteries. So the deepest one is for the bigger camera, and then the middle part we have for the A6000 series, and the topmost part, which is the smallest battery, which is for your RX100 series. So actually later, we'll just show to you, or we'll just show to you right now. This is actually the FZ100, which charges the RA7 Mark III. So you just plug that battery directly. So there's no way you can actually mistakenly put your battery on charging it to the smaller ones. So you can see here we're trying it either way around. There's only one way to fit, which is directly to the bottom part. So this is the NP FZ100 for your A7 Mark III. So it basically fits perfectly in both sides. So later we'll show you charging two batteries simultaneously, but since it's full bar, we'll just put one. So we have a power bank here. So we'll just actually plug the provided cable Type A going to the Type C. So this is the best part. So it means if you're using an A7 Mark III, you only need to carry one cable to charge or transfer data from your PC to your camera, or even charge you're using your smart charger. So here we've just successfully turned it on. So we can see the ISDT logo, and it just provides to us the voltage, which is 5.1 volts coming from our USB power source. So right now we just need to plug our battery. So it says that my battery is actually full charge, so we don't need to charge it. So later I'll just swap my battery from the one I'm using right now to plug it here later. So basically, either which way where you plug the battery, it says full. And by pressing the buttons once, and you can see more details of your battery. So pressing it again would go back to the normal part. So you can see the two sections of the battery charging. So if you want to see the full details of your battery, then you can just easily see it. So it says my battery is the NPFC100. So basically, this is it. So later we'll show you some more charging status of this battery. So here we are. Let me just show to you. I've already swapped my battery. So this is slightly drained battery, and let's see. So it shows that the battery is 96%. So basically, I just used 4% of my battery from that video, and it's charging the battery. So it's basically that simple. So if you press that button, so you can see the charge status of the battery. So it's charging for how many seconds? It has charged 5 mAh, how many voltage, and how many ampere it's charging directly. And it has the temperature plus the ohm rating of your battery, or the resistance rating. And it says that my battery right now is 5 full stars, which means my battery is very healthy. So this is a really one of a kind charger. So for our next part, we will be showing to you multiple chargers. So here we're actually comparing the ravpower, which we have been charging for our A6500. So basically you can actually charge multiple parts. Unlike for the ravpower, whatever you purchase can only charge that specific type of battery. So if you got the RAV charger for the NPFZ100, then it can only charge that specific battery. If in case you bought the NPFW50, which is for the A6000 series, you can only charge that specific of battery. So here you can see that the ISDT can fit both of that. And when it charges, it actually detects differently for each type of those battery. So here you can see that the ravpower can only fit one type battery, and it's a very simple charger. So it just shows you the green or red LED notification light showing to you red for charging, and then when it's green, it's already full charge. Unlike for this smart charger, we can see the exact amount of power being charged on your battery. Isn't that very instrumental? So right now, we'll just show to you the RAV power, so how it charges. So right now, we just need to plug one battery. So we just plug it here. This is the RAV power battery. So as soon as you plug the charger, you will see that the icon will come out. So it says it's charging. So it's color red. So basically it's charging your battery right now. So if you plug two, the other one will light up and tell you both of it are charging. So let's now transfer and use the big boy. So the other one, you can see that it's actually full. So the light just turned green. So there's some slight delay from that part. So we'll be using the bigger brother, the smarter brother. So we'll just transfer the cable. I mean, change the cable. Of course, we'll be using the Type C cable, which is the good part of this charger. So let's just plug the Type C cable to the ISDT Smart Charger. So here we go, and then we'll just plug the two batteries simultaneously. We'll actually plug all these batteries together. So let's put the A7 Mark III battery, or the NPFZ100, and it says 94%. And now we'll plug the A6500 battery, which is the NPFW50, and it says it's also charging at 98%. So you can see here that it can charge both batteries simultaneously. So let's check one by one. So we can see that it's actually charging at 8.27 volts. So let's see the other one. It's also charging. So basically both voltage is the same. So I believe this smart charger basically houses the same voltage for both of the batteries. It's just that it comes in different sizes. That's why it can actually charge both the A6000 series and the A7 Mark III. It's just that the A7 Mark III has a bigger battery, meaning it just has more mAh inside. So here you can see that both batteries of mine are in good condition, and you can see by how much percent it's actually charging. Unlike the ravpower, if you've plugged it there, you'll be seeing that only red and green button. So what if you only charge 50% of the way and you want to remove it? So you wouldn't know until you plug it to your camera. But for this smart charger, you can directly see the the charge power, or the amount of charge inside your camera. So this is what makes it a very smart charger. And again, this has more information. It gives you the degrees Celsius of your camera as well, the 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 ohm rating as well, which is the resistance. So you can actually see a lot more details with this battery compared to the ravpower. So I just gave you a quick comparison for this one. The only big advantage for the ravpower, when you purchase it, it usually comes with two batteries and a charger. For the ISDT, when you purchase it, it comes with only one smart charger and a cable. So the tough part here is that you would only be needing to buy the batteries instead of buying everything in a complete package. So if you do buy those original batteries, then that won't be a problem. So there you go. This is Bruce of Cantotech. We hope that you like our unboxing and quick review of the ISDT quick charger. So this model again is the ISDT NP2 smart charger of ISDT. Thank you.